The Backyardigans, Camp Walkaplanka. It was a big day for campers Pablo and Uniqua. They were off to pirate camp, where a real pirate captain was going to teach them how to be pirates. Uniqua couldn't wait, but Pablo wasn't so sure. "I think I might stay home," said Pablo. "What if pirate camp is really scary?" "Give it a try," Uniqua urged him. "Camp Walkaplanka is the best camp ever. Come on, don't you want to be a real pirate?" "Well, okay," Pablo sighed. "Maybe it won't be so scary." He followed Uniqua to the dock where the pirate camp pirate ship was waiting. "Come on, Pablo," called Uniqua. "Hurry, there it is." "Ahoy there!" a gruff voice called to them from the deck. The pirate captain swung down in front of Pablo and Uniqua. He scowled. "Arr!" he snarled. "I'm Pirate Captain Austin." "I'm Uniqua," said Uniqua. "I'm leaving," said Pablo. But Uniqua held Pablo back as Captain Austin looked them up and down. "You better get aboard," he told them. "This pirate ship is about to set sail." Once aboard, it was time for Pablo and Uniqua's first pirate lesson. "Ye have a lot to learn if you want to be pirates," Captain Austin told them. "When you're a pirate," he explained, "you don't just pull, ye heave, and then ye hoe." He grabbed hold of a nearby line and heaved until the ship's sails were fully hoisted. "Did you see how I did that?" he asked the campers. "Okay, now it's your turn." He handed them the line, and together they almost did it. "Just one more hoe," called Uniqua. Suddenly, Pablo bumped into a treasure chest on the deck and knocked it over. "Ooh," gasped Pablo as a gleaming red boot rolled out in front of him. He dropped the line and reached out toward it. "So sparkly," he said. "Don't touch that," yelled Captain Austin. He grabbed the boot and stuffed it back into the chest. Then he quickly slammed the lid shut. "Ye must never ever touch the boot," the pirate warned. "It belongs to the ghost of Captain Redboots. If ye touch the boot, a mysterious force will pull us all right to her island. And when we get there, she'll chase ye. And if she catches ye, she'll tickle ye. And if she tickles ye, then you'll become a ghost too. Understand?" he asked the campers. "Yes, sir, Pirate Captain Austin, sir," they said. After that, it was time for the second pirate lesson. "Now you're going to learn to swashbuckle," said Captain Austin. "Swashbuckle?" asked Uniqua. The pirate nodded. "Arr! You're going to swing across the ship and down to the deck. There." He put his kerchief over the rigging and smoothly slid along it. Then it was Uniqua and Pablo's turn. "Swashbuckling isn't as easy as it looks," thought Pablo. Next came the hardest, most daring, boldest thing a pirate can ever do, the Scallywag. It was a kind of dance with lots of shaking and shivering timbers, and after a little bit of practice, Uniqua and Pablo were pretty good at it. They were so busy scallywagging, in fact, that nobody noticed Captain Austin moving toward his treasure chest until it was too late. As the chest tipped over, the boot tumbled out. Captain Austin stomped his foot right into it, and instantly the ship swerved straight for Red Boots Island. "My boot! My boot!" "Did you hear that?" Pablo asked Uniqua. "It's Red Boots," they said, shivering. They had to get that boot off Captain Austin, but it was too late. The boot was already leading him off the ship and onto the island. "We have to help him," Uniqua exclaimed. "But Red Boots is on that island," said Pablo, "and Red Boots is a ghost." "I know," said Uniqua, "but we've got to save Captain Austin." She grabbed Pablo's hand. "Come on." Together, Uniqua and Pablo followed the pirate's tracks into a deep, dark cave, where the ghost of Red Boots was holding him captive. "Help!" they heard him cry. "My boot! My boot!" they heard the ghost moan. The campers peered down at the scene and quickly made a plan. "I'll swashbuckle over to Captain Austin," Uniqua told Pablo. "You distract Red Boots." Pablo nodded, even though he didn't know how to keep Red Boots distracted. Pablo waved his arms to get the ghost's attention. "Hey, Red Boots!" he shouted. "Over here!" The ghost was on him in an instant, fingers out and poised to tickle. Here I come, she moaned. Here I go, cried Pablo. Then suddenly he stopped and turned around with an idea. Hey, Red Boots, he said, can you scallywag? Meanwhile, Uniqua swashbuckled over to Captain Austen and worked to get the red boot off with a big heave-ho. Arr! She grunted, until at last the boot popped off and went sailing through the air. Straight into the hands of the ghost of Captain Red Boots. Ah! Cried Captain Austen, Uniqua and Pablo all together. They were sure that at any moment they would be tickled and turned into ghosts. But instead, Red Boots slipped the boot on her foot and floated gently to the ground. She didn't try to tickle them, and she wasn't a ghost anymore either. Hi, I'm Pirate Captain Red Boots, she said, smiling. All I wanted was my other boot back. Oh, Captain Austen, Uniqua, and Pablo exclaimed. We're pirate campers, Pablo told her. Not anymore, you're not, Captain Austen said. Smiling, Captain Austen set 2 real pirate hats on Uniqua and Pablo's heads. You're real pirates now, he said proudly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more The Backyardigans stories, check out my Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And hey, check out the Super Thanks tab on my non-read aloud videos if you'd like to support and donate to the channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.